Fye? Yeah, look it up. Used to express disgust or outrage. Oh, that's the worst F word there is. Bart, I can't do this. No offense, but I have a mother who still loves me. Huh? Oh, stupid mom. Stuck something in my backpack. Man, she makes good chicken. You're the best boy a mom could want. I failed as a mother. I'm growing a conscience. I gotta change this prank.
Our iconic sign is a quiver.
It says FD. It's a tribute to the fire department.
Yeah! You're the best boy a mother could want.
And you're under arrest.